In this video, I have explained the procedure to find the root of an equation by using Newton-Raphson method and one example of finding the root of an equation by using Newton-Raphson method. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, put this video in your status, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Like the video, share the video link with your friends and write the comments, subscribe to the channel. To find root of an equation by using Newton-Raphson method, the procedure is they will be giving an equation and that equation you need to consider as f of x. Let f of x is equal to 0 be the given equation and let us assume that the root is near to xn, then the Newton-Raphson formula is given by xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, where f dash of xn is the derivative of f of x with respect to x, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here they will be giving the initial value. If the initial value has been not given, then substitute the value of x in the given equation, that is for an f of x choose the x value such that it is nearly equal to 0 and consider that as x0 and solve the problem. Find by using Newton-Raphson method the root of the equation x cube minus x minus 10 is equal to 0, which is near to 2, correct to 3 decimal places. They have given the equation and they have given the initial value and you need to find the root which is correct to 3 decimal places by using a method of Newton-Raphson. Solution: given x cube minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. So you have to consider this equation as f of x. Therefore what we can write? Let f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 10. Next you need to find f dash of x, that is the derivative of fx. To find the derivative of an fx, first you need to know how the derivative has to be calculated. So derivative of x to the power n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, that is dx to the power n divided by dx is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, that is differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So here x to the power 4 is there, that means 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1, that is 4 into x cube minus x is there, x in the sense x to the power 1, that means 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0, x to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 will be 1 and derivative of a constant will be 0. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 4 into x cube minus 1 and they have given the initial value, that is 2. Also given x naught is equal to 2. We know that by Newton-Raphson method the formula to find the root of an equation is given by xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, where f dash of xn is the derivative of f of xn. Here the value of n will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But initially we start with the value of n is equal to 0. f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 10 and we have found the derivative and that derivative is f dash of x is equal to 4x cube minus 1 and they have given the initial value and that we have considered as x naught is equal to 2. First we need to find f of x naught and f dash of x naught, that is f of 2 and f dash of 2. First f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 4, which we get by substituting 2 in f of x equation. Similarly, f dash of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 to the power cube minus 1 is equal to 31, which we get by substituting the value 2 in f dash of x. The first approximate root or the first approximation is x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Here you can observe that the formula to find the Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, and the value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Since it is the first approximation, we have considered n is equal to 0. Therefore, we have written x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Upon substituting the value, we can write it as x1 is equal to 2 minus 4 divided by 31, and in the calculator you can write in the form as open the bracket 2 minus open the bracket 4 divided by 31, close the bracket, again close the bracket. It will give the answer, and that answer is 1.87096. This one consider only up to 4 digits after the decimal point, that means truncate the fifth digit. The fifth digit is 6, which is greater than 5. Therefore you need to add 1 to the previous digit, and that one, that is a 9. 9 plus 1 will be a 10. Therefore x1 will be equal to 1.8710. This one we have got upon rounding off the number to an 4 significant digit after the decimal point. After the first approximation, x1 we have got the value as 1.8710. Now find f of x1 and f dash of x1. So first initially f of 1.8710 is equal to 1.8710 to the power of 4 minus 1.8710 minus 10 is equal to 0.3835, which we get after rounding off the number to 4 significant digit after the decimal point. Next find f dash of 1.8710 is equal to 4 into 1.8710 to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 25.1988. Here also write the value after rounding off to 4 digits after the decimal point, and these values we get by substituting 1.8710 in f of x and f dash of x respectively. The second approximation is by Newton-Raphson method. We know the formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Since it is a second approximation, we can write x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of xn. Now we can write x2 is equal to 1.8710 minus 0.3835 divided by 25.1988. So upon this one, when we use the calculator for the purpose of calculating, you need to write in this method, open the bracket 1.8710 minus, again open the bracket, 0.3835 divided by 25.1988, close the bracket, again close the bracket. It will give the answer, and I have written up to 5 digit after the decimal point, and that is 1.85578. Now the last, there is a fifth digit is 8. That one we need to truncate because we need to consider only 4 digits after the decimal point. So therefore the truncating digit is 8, which is greater than 5. Therefore you need to add 1 to the previous digit, previous digit is 7, so when we add 1 to 7 it becomes 8. Therefore x2 will be equal to 1.8558. This is the second approximation. Next we move on to third approximation. Now we have a second approximation, that is x2 is equal to 1.8558. Now find f of x2 and f dash of x2. Those we get respectively by substituting in f of x and f dash of x equation. So first initially f of 1.8558 is equal to 1.8558 to the power of 4 minus 1.8558 minus 10 is equal to 0.0053, which we get after truncating to 4 significant digit after the decimal point. The next f dash of 1.8558 is equal to 4 into 1.8558 cube minus 1 is equal to 24.5654. This also we get upon truncating or rounding off to an 4 significant digit after the decimal point. Then the third approximation is the formula to find the root by using Newton-Raphson method, that is NR method, is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So here, since it is a third approximation, the value of n will be 2. Therefore x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. We can write x3 is equal to 1.8558 minus 0.0053 divided by 24.5654. So this one in the calculator we can write open bracket 1.8558 minus open the bracket 0.0053 divided by 24.5654 close the bracket, again close the bracket. This will give the answer 1.8558. So I have considered 5 digits after the decimal point. Now I will do the rounding off to an 4 significant digit after the decimal point. So truncating digit is 8, which is greater than 5. Therefore you need to add 1 to the previous digit. Therefore it will become 1.8556. Therefore x3 is equal to 1.8556. Now in the question they have asked, you need to find the root of the equation x to the power 4 minus x minus 10 by using NR method up to 3 significant digits. So now we can observe x2 and x3. x2 is 1.8558 and x3 is 1.8556. So in these two values up to 3 digits, that is 1.855, it is same. Therefore the required answer is 1.855. The required root is 1.855 of the given equation x to the power 4 minus x minus 10 is equal to 0 by using Newton-Raphson method near to 2. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.